I help? Up flush over the gunnels here. Now I'm going to drill a threaded rod through these two barrels, about halfway down. Then we're going to use these chain leftovers, thread the rod through the chain leftover, fill this with concrete, leave this hanging out the top. That way we've got something to attach our shackles to that is cast down into the concrete. It's never going to come loose. The only thing we are still trying to figure out is we need rollers. Ideally wood ones, because they're going to go into the water when we roll this off the side here. And you're probably thinking, aren't you going to flip your boat? That's like 2,200 pounds of concrete going off one side of your boat. We might. Keep watching. We don't know. Hey guys, I'm happy to announce that our 99-cent Makers Mob woodworking sale is back. This is our biggest woodworking sale of the year. We're inside the Makers Mob. You'll not only get access to learn my top woodworking projects, you will also get over 90 woodworking tutorials with plans from YouTube's top makers like Jimmy DeResta, John Heiss, Neil Paskin, Frank Howarth, John Peters, and of course myself. And right now, if you click the link in the description below, we are also hosting a 2-month router bit challenge where you can upload your projects that you have made and compete with woodworkers at different skill levels from all over the world in order to win thousands of dollars in prizes from CMT Tools and Tailored Toolworks. So click the link in the description below, learn woodworking from YouTube's top makers, and take advantage of this 99-cent sale before it ends. See you on the inside. So we needed to run into town to get some supplies. I got a roof vent for my stack so that we can install the new composting toilet. Oh yeah, we bought some 1.25-inch conduit, which we're gonna cut into smaller pieces to use as rollers to roll our concrete into the water. So we're hoping that this stuff is strong enough, and we're gonna spray some foam in the middle so that when they roll into the water, they don't just sink, they float, and then we can grab them and use them again, because we need to get multiple uses out of these things, and we don't want to dive down to the bottom to try and get them. So yeah, hopefully the concrete won't crush these. And if it does, you can be like, you dumbasses, why'd you use plastic pipe? I could have told you that. You should have used metal pipe, right? But hey, we're just trying to keep things exciting for you guys. Strap these things down.
Might have to just put a screw through.
Good call.
A couple boards.
chain, when we cast the chain in, we'll go like this. Maybe down another length. That way the concrete will lock that all together and we'll be good to go. I'm also gonna throw a stick of rebar in each one that I've got pre-cut here. So she'll be sturdy.
The nicest top concrete barrel I've ever seen.
Thing of beauty.
Crack.
Those air bubbles that came up?
I saw them, every one. They're all like, free me!
I'm actually, I think looking at this dock and this log boom will probably be like my greatest satisfaction. Well, I'm sure the house is going to be phenomenal. It's like I build stuff all the time. Like I know the house is going to be good, but water stuff, this is like I'm a beginner here. I feel like that feeling, you know, when you get your first project done and you're a beginner and you're like, I did it. I haven't had that feeling in a long time. So I'm quite proud that in a couple of weeks I'm going to have built my own dock and log boom and ramp and installed it all myself. Would I do it again? Or pay somebody else? Ooh, that's a tough one. If I had the money, I would probably pay somebody else. But I learned a ton about boats, working on the water, tools that you need, what works, what doesn't work. Like this has been a very cheaper than paying somebody else to do it education, but it's been an expensive education. I'm pretty pumped. And everybody said, put your dock and your log boom in first. And I'm here to tell you that was good advice, but I didn't follow it. I would have if I had the money for logs, could find logs, or had the money to pay somebody that builds docks and log booms for a living. But I didn't have any of those. So as soon as I got the logs, the log boom has gone in, and I can say that trying to work without a log boom and without a proper dock and access to your property is just a real challenge. So if you do get boat access property, don't even bother doing anything until you've got your dock and your wave break installed. Okay? Tips from the samurai.
Happy?
got one poured. We actually got two poured. We did a single over there as well, just to put weight on the back of the boat, because I'm worried now that we've got this concrete here. The water's gonna, it's gonna rain a lot this weekend. It's gonna fill up my bilge, but my bilge pumps are at the back of the boat, and the boat's sitting really far forward. So we poured a concrete anchor, just a single bucket back there, to try and bring some of the weight back. My batteries are also running pretty low on this thing because I haven't taken it for a spin in a while. So I don't have a lot of time to leave these on the boat, but I've got to go back to town. So I got to be home for Saturday, but then I'm going to come right back up here on Saturday and get these things dumped, okay? So let's hope that I won't be coming back to a sunken boat, because that would suck. So hey, don't miss the next video, so I might be recovering my skiff. Let me know in the comments if you think I'm going to be coming back to a disaster, or if you think we're going to be okay. Till next time, Samurai out. Please make sure to give this video a like and a share, and make sure to check out the links in the description box below so you don't miss out on our 99-cent Maker's Mob sale, as well as huge savings on all sorts of CMT tools.